When you speak of Hyderabad, geographically positioned at the center of the Deccan Plateau, and our capital has historically served as the ultimate crossroads for the trade, culture, and empire shifting between North and South India. Today, this historic crossroads has transformed into an economic powerhouse. Hyderabad is India's fourth largest city by GDP and is proudly ranking among the top 10 fastest growing metropolitan economies globally. Yet, our true wealth lies in our unique social fabric, our Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb Jaise. For over 5 centuries, Hyderabad has stood as a living model of pluralism where Hindu, Muslim, and diverse traditions enjoy harmonious coexistence. Step into our streets and you will hear Telugu, Urdu, and several languages of our India and Deccani thriving together. Walk past our public spaces and our multilingual signage honors this shared heritage, whether it is the ecstatic energy of Bonalu and Batkama or the spiritual devotion of Eid and Diwali. Every festival is celebrated with equal fervor across our communities, and nowhere is this cultural synthesis more deliciously evident than our culture. We invite the world to savor our world famous Hyderabadi biryani. Most of you might have tasted. Served alongside traditional, soul satisfying Telugu vegetarian delicacies. Telangana's history is not written in textbooks alone. It is etched into our landscape. We possess a dynasty for every single era of Indian history. The ancient foundations laid by the Shatavahanas, the first major Deccan empire, leaving behind the earliest known coins of Kotilingala. The early medieval era driven by the Ikshvakas, magnificent patrons of art and Buddhism. The medieval golden age, orchestrated by the legendary Kakatiyas, who were master engineers. They blessed us with the Warangal fort, over 2,000 irrigation tanks, and the breathtaking Ramappa temple and Telangana's UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated worldwide for its exquisite sculptural artistry and its unique, scientifically brilliant floating bricks. The Sultanate era, ruled by the Qutub Shahis, the Sultans of Golconda, whose minds birthed the legendary Hope Diamond and the Kohinoor. You might have heard Kohinoor. They built the iconic Charminar, Makkah Masjid, and the Qutub Shahi tombs with global architectural echoes that draw direct parallelisms to Isfahan, Iran. Iran culture is there. The princely era defined by the Asaf Jahis, that is the Nizams, who were at their peak the richest individuals in the world, leaving behind the opulent Chowmahalla and Falaknuma palaces and the Salar Jung Museum, one of India's 3 national museums, with over 100 notified forts, including Golconda, Warangal, Medak and Bonagir, and more than 3,000 protected monuments and archaeological sites. Telangana is a living, breathing, open-air museum